So Trojan, one of the OG Telegram trading bots that has been around forever and has been super successful, just launched their web terminal. This is going to be a serious competitor to the likes of Axiom and Padre, and they have user rewards that I haven't seen on any other platform. So this is their announcement. It just went live yesterday when I'm recording this video. Step into the arena for the best chance to escape the trenches, win daily jackpots, accumulate gold, and earn from quests. $5 million in sol rewards for early users. Come back to where it all began, come back to start winning again. So let me show you the platform, but first why you need to sign up. So they're giving away a free $50 to anyone who sign up using a referral link, then completes 3 simple quests. Be quick before all the free salamis are gone. I will obviously leave my referral link down below. It's a great win-win situation, so make sure to use that when signing up. There will be endless opportunities to win big in the arena. We will be giving away 1 sol to 30 active trenchers daily. So they are also picking 30 active traders every single day that receives 1 Solana. Plus they have daily jackpots. 10% of all Trojan fees get added into the daily jackpot for you to win. Gold is your ticket to escape the trenches. Either accumulate it or risk it all to win the jackpot. And the way they say accumulate it probably hints towards an airdrop. Now I know a lot of these platforms like bullish has been saying for ages that they will be doing an airdrop, but if there is one OG and serious team that I actually think will commit to an airdrop, I genuinely think that will be Trojan. So you can use the gold from your quests to either enter their daily jackpots or accumulate it for future uses like a potential airdrop. Plus they also have 45% cashback, which is higher than any other platform, and 50% revenue share. So this is what the actual platform looks like. I love the design. It's obviously similar to other platforms like Axiom or Padre, but the user interface and user experience is honestly great. You have new tokens, you have about to migrate and migrated tokens. It is super quick. You have your quick buys. If we click on to any of these tokens, this is what it looks like. So you have all the trades at the bottom. You can obviously customize the sizes, etc. Positions, active orders, history. You have the chart, you have your buy and sell and token information on the right hand side. Plus you have your instant trade panel, so you can easily and super quickly get in and out of trades. You can adjust this as well to get even more options. I'm sure you are fairly familiar with trading interfaces like these from other trading bots, but honestly it looks super good, super quick and easy to use. If we scroll down here, they also have things like holder scan, they have dev scanner, social history, similar tokens, holder analytics. As you can see, you earn gold from trading when you are getting started. They have the explorer page. You have your own holdings right here. I just started using this today. You then have all of your open orders. You have the analyzer where you can easily analyze any sort of wallet, see all of their positions, recent P&Ls. They also have integrated copy trading, which is a great feature that I have been missing from platforms like Axiom. So you can actually copy trade any sort of wallets. You can find the copy trading feature under tools, same with the wallet tracker, as well as simple swap, which is basically an integrated DEX. Under wallet tracker, they also give you the option to import top 150 KOL scan wallets, which is a great feature as well. So if I click on that, this is what it will look like. And then you have the arena. If we head into the arena, this is where you can see all of your gold. You have the gold leaderboard, you can claim gold right here. And then under arena, you have jackpot. So this is where they will do their daily jackpots, where one winner wins 10% of all Trojan fees. You can see the past winners. So on day 1, this user won 100 Solana. Yesterday, this user won 41 Solana. Today will probably be a similar price pool. You can enter the jackpot right here. You need a minimum 100 gold, which is pretty easy to get. So let's say I want to enter for all of my gold, 160, claim jackpot entries, and there you go. I am now a part of this jackpot. If we head back into the arena, another important thing for you to do is to claim the cashback boost so that you can get your 45% cashback. You do this by basically just posting 2 tweets about Trojan. Now at the bottom of the page, you also have things like a Twitter tracker you can pull up. You can also pull up the trenches right here if you're on another page. So if you go into a token, you can still have the trenches on your screen. You have your positions, you have your alerts. So honestly, I think this is going to take a lot of the market share from Padre and Axiom. They have the best user rewards out there. Basically everyone that signs up within the next few days gets a free $50. They have their jackpot. They have their 30 active users that get 1 sol every single day. Plus they also have the quests for their future airdrop. So I honestly think if you're active in the trenches right now, it makes a lot of sense to start using this new Trojan platform, or at least try it out and see if you like it. So if you are going to try it out, just make sure you use a referral link to sign up so that you can get those free $50. I will leave mine in the description below. Would highly appreciate it if you use that. If you have any questions about this platform, do let me know down below in the comment section, or you can join my Telegram and ask me in there. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.